it's Lynn. Welcome back to the channel. And for today's vlog, we're gonna be tie-dyeing some of my clothes. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So this will be the materials that I will be using: the bottled water and this tie-dye for only 5 pesos each. It's so affordable. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so first is this pants. So first is butangan sa og scotch tape ari na side para dili ma-appeal kay ang side is pink and the other one is white. And my mom is also helping me with the tie-dye in case na makita niyo siya na mo appear in the video. Now let's get started. Next is this blouse. I got this 2017 sinulog time and then I kept it kay ganahan ko ani na blouse. And nagting ko ato na mag tie-dye pero karon pang 2020 na hitabo. Now I saw this Pinterest and TikTok kanang i-twist ra nimo and butangan nimo rubber bands and then mahimo siya 4 sides and butangan nimo og different colors siya. Muna yung gibuhat sa kumami on the side. First color is yellow. So, mauna ni ang the rest na color. Blue, red, and violet. Yeah. Ito na. Next is my shorts. This is the easiest part. I mean, everything is easy. It's just that ang kinis siya kaya all you need to do is put the shorts in the table and then wait na mo drip ang tie-dye. And yeah, that's it. It's so easy. And results sa tanan is nasa last part. Thank you. For my black shirts, I'm not really sure about this pero ako lang gitry. Ang isa kay murag fade kayo ang iyang color kining nabilin sa table and kining ako gikuha kay murag okay ra iyang pagka-black. And then nakuha ra ko og bleach and then nagbutang pag jud ko og rubber bands. Pero honestly, ang rubber bands kay mura ra og wala. Pwede ra nimo ibutang og bleach bisag walay.
That's not black, that's dark blue.
That's black. No, that's black.
Legit
Girl, that's mine. That's not yours, okay?
I'm telling you.
No, it's black. Dili na siya dark blue. Black na siya ako anang t-shirt. And by the way, naghimo po dugin ani ako mami for Sav and my sister and I wala siya nabutang sa receipt. So mo ni ang bleach. So in ana ara siya. So everything's done. I'm letting it dry until I don't know how many hours. Basta mahuman na lang or ma-dry na lang siya. And we're done. Just kidding, we're not yet done. Kay ang pink light ra kaayo. And dahutan ko pink dye. So I'm using the red one para naay something nice ang color. And we're done.